Hello everyone, welcome to episode 1 of Eve and Hannah's radio show.
Woo! Hey everyone.
Me and Eve will be your hosts, and just to tell you, everything will be raw because somebody is lazy to edit it.
No, the real reason is because editing takes too long.
Yeah, you were supposed to do a Halloween one, but we didn't do it because someone forgot to edit it.
No, I didn't forget. It just took a long time. Apparently.
That's true. Anyways, so everything will be very raw, but then we'll put the beeps on the bad word so we don't get demonetized. I don't know what's the word.
Well, of course.
So, just stuff to worry. Swearing. Actually, no, we don't need to worry about swearing because, yeah. And then, wait, what else? What's the word?
So,
some jokes, bad advice.
That's the list.
Etc.
I'm just gonna put a demonetization sign on top, like, this video is going to be demonetized.
I don't know, you could, but you're gonna put the beep, so...
Yeah, of course. Say
What?
Say
Fuck.
I'm gonna beep this.
Seems fun. So, don't worry, so, like, we won't be the only people doing this thing, like, we will have guests, people on the show. So, yeah.
Basically, we'll have guests and
yeah, we'll have like people from outside of the. They have people from outside of the. What's the word for it? Fuck.
outside the admins. I don't know. Basically, in the Stars team.
So, and like people from in and outside, people like from our. What's the word?
Yeah, basically, we will try.
Who are doing this series with us, and people from outside too.
Yeah, so basically, we're going to have different crew members of the Starlight Stars team. We're going to interview them.
People outside from it.
Yeah, sorta. If we.
Yeah.
Maybe I can invite one of my classmates.
You can invite your classmates. You can invite your own friends.
I mean, if they want to.
They have to want to.
What the hell? What do you mean?
Well, if they don't want to, they wouldn't be here. If they don't want to, they wouldn't be in the code.
No, we have to be famous. Then they will have to.
Yeah, what she said.
Yeah, but that will never happen because.
Yeah. Well, we can't say that.
Yeah, no spoilers.
Yeah.
No spoilers.
Yeah. I'm actually eating.
I am eating too. What are you eating?
Shepherd's pie and chocolate milk.
I'm eating this pudding and drinking milk at the same time.
Oh, this is like lunch.
This is lunch.
Why are you eating pudding for lunch?
No, this is dessert. I ate a sandwich before.
Who eats dessert for lunch?
I don't know.
I mean, most of the time people only have dessert during after dinner.
I ate the bit.
Yeah.
But then I won't eat dessert like at night.
Yesterday, I finished like a whole pack of pudding, and that was like 6 in my pack.
Bro, you're
It was mango pudding.
You're gonna be as fat as me.
Right?
You know how fat I am?
I don't know.
Editor, you bleep this out. I'm literally just kg.
Bro, I'm like at 40 something.
Exactly.
I mean, I barely eat. I don't know why. No matter how much I eat, I don't get fat.
Why? How?
I eat like a lot of junk food. Dude, I want to know too.
Do you do any exercise?
No, I hate exercising.
Bro, what the fuck?
Exactly. It's confusing.
I know. Legit, I do exercise. I do a lot of exercise. And I always get really, really fat.
I don't know, James.
Oh, shit.
I mean, it could be James. But no. Okay, I have a feeling that people who are listening to us might get hungry.
Yeah, Editor Eve posts some, I don't know, food on top of this video.
Photos.
Yeah, put food. Put food words.
Yeah, put food photos.
Yeah.
Then you can get hungry. Yeah.
We're not sorry because we're eating good food.
Yeah. I don't. Fine, I'm just kidding.
Oh, shit. Wait. How long do you think this radio should be?
Huh?
How long do you think this radio should be?
Oh,
Like 15 minutes, I guess?
Anyway,
We can talk for a long time if we can.
I mean we could, but it's not me who's editing it, so. I mean, you'll be editing it, but not so much.
Yeah. I won't do like the circle things because those.
I mean,
Just because the circle things make me do a lot of work, so I don't want to do it.
yeah.
Yeah. What is that?
It's my brother.
Your brother? Sama que?
But not, you can always have my brother in the back.
Sama que?
I mean, you could end it now. Just.
Yeah, it's been 6 fucking minutes, dude.
I mean, tell me who's editing it too.
Yeah, I mean it's daily anyway, so they could actually.
Not daily, weekly.
Oh yeah.
You forgot.
But still, we can make this longer.
Okay, let's make it longer.
Yay.
So do you have any like holidays coming up?
Oh, not really. The only thing that's a holiday is Parents' Day.
I have like a stay-at-home holiday, but only
What?
for my school. No, wait. I'm already at quarantine. I'm already staying at home. I have no school.
Oh,
Starting on the
lucky.
20th until I think 20th, somewhere around the 20th.
Lucky you.
Until I don't know. I don't know how long. I don't listen to assembly.
Oh.
Yeah.
I just figured that I have a weird fetish.
Dude.
You know Hinata's voice actor has a fetish of ears.
I know.
I have a fetish of hair for some reason.
Dude, what the hell?
I'm not kidding. I always touch people's hair without them knowing. I just like silky. Like that. It's weird. Because there's
Silky.
yeah. Always.
Just goes out the them, touches the hair. Silky.
Yeah. Ask one of my classmates and ask them if it's true or not. They'll say, "Oh yeah, she's
Dude, so
that weird."
But imagine. touch his hair. Silky.
Silky. Oh, what fetish do you have?
I don't think I have one.
Oh, that's
I
nice.
don't think about it at this age.
Oh Lord.
I mean, why would I? I mean, you're younger than me.
I like touching people's hair, and I don't like touching my own hair.
Oh, okay.
I don't know why, but yeah.
Why hair?
It's silky.
Why hair?
It's silky.
Yeah, but why hair?
It's silky and soft. It's comfortable, and I really like comfortable things.
Oh, man.
I really like soft and squishy things.
So, like, squishes. Oh, yes.
Don't you dare think of something dirty, Hannah.
No, I was gonna say squishy.
Oh. Yeah, I like squishies.
Then you make me think of something else.
No. Oh no.
One time, because we were in tuition, so
Oh Lord.
because like we were doing a girls versus boys thing. It's like we were doing ballet.
Ballet?
We did a boys, ballet. So then we were doing a boys versus girls thing because tuition. So we were like having competition and like see which one will get the best, and then the one that gets the best, the group that gets the best, they will get food.
What?
So then like the boys, they like to come over to our side and look. So then like all the girls, we took out our like word books and we just put like as like a wall. Then the girl who was writing it, she was like, wow, 有很多 protection, which means like, wow, there's a lot of protection. And then like my other friend, and then she said like, she said like, let me just call her like Amy. And then my friend was like, my friend Amy told my other friend, let's call her Jane.
That's so stupid.
I'm thinking of random names. It's hard to think.
I'm sorry for all the Janes out there.
No, like Amy told Jane, she was like, 不要想歪啊. So it means like don't think like dirty stuff. And at first, Jane wasn't thinking of like any shit. She wasn't thinking of anything. And then like when my friend said don't think dirty stuff, and she suddenly said, wow, I got a lot of protection. You know what I mean now.
Oh. Wow.
And then like Jane just said like, when you just told me that I started thinking of stuff.
Oh
So then she was like, next time if there's something dirty, don't tell me there's nothing dirty.
Oh.
It only makes sense.
Yeah.
Wait, how long is it rolling now?
It's been 13 minutes.
I think we can end it here.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, okay. Thank you for listening to our podcast.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.
Thank you for listening to our podcast. You'll come back next week with another one. So, thank you. Bye.
Bye.
And that was finished.
Yeah.
You can hear my brother in the background. That's it.
Oh my gosh, what the fuck?
Are you gonna edit that?
I'm going to, I think. Hopefully.
Yeah. Now I have a noise suppression.
Wait, do you want to play Roblox together?
We should. I'm gonna go back to my other call, which is the one I'll listen.
Oh sure, I can join too, I guess.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Wait.